Folks, today I want to walk you through how to add resources to Google Classroom. First, you're going to go to the Classworks page. Then you're going to select Create. Now, if this is a document or several documents that I don't want graded, I'm going to press Material. Now, this would be great for if I was pushing out a chapter, a PDF of a document, a slide deck, as well as a video. So if I want to add multiple resources and things for my students to look at, this is what I would post. So I'm going to create my title and my description, which could have instructions for how to demonstrate learning. Then I'm going to press this Add button. Note that you can select multiple documents or multiple resources from Google Drive. So here, if I wanted to add a Google slide presentation, I would also add a Google Doc and as many materials as I'd like. And then I would indicate to my students how I wanted them to utilize those resources. You can also add external links or encourage your students to do research on different platforms as well. Before I post, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to select the classes that I want to add this to. If I have multiple sections of the same class, I would select that here. And then I'm also going to put this under a topic. I highly recommend using a topic like what are we doing today or what are we working on this week when you're not with your students face to face. That way it's easy for your students to find and navigate through.